everyone, and welcome back to another segment of Minding Your Own Business and a continuation of the Thinking Like a Lawyer series. And today I want to talk to you about getting support. And whenever you see a big trial or a litigation, and not on the movies, but in real life, it's a team effort. It's not just one person. And so attorneys often work, they help each other with the writing and the research and the editing, and sometimes when you see the same thing over and over again, you miss little details, and so it always helps to collaborate and bounce ideas off of another person. And in the same way with your business, it really helps to have a variety of people on your team. And I spoke to you earlier about firing the discouragement committee and having an encouragement committee, and this is a little bit like that, but also adding in the support team some people who have maybe some strengths that you don't have, and vice versa, so you can kind of collaborate with others. It's similar to a mastermind program or meeting if you join one of those, or you can just have your own, just some people who have some expertise or some ways of maybe strengthening some areas you want to develop in your business or personally. And in a similar way, I also want to encourage you, invite you to think about hiring experts. So in the legal sense, a general lawyer would not go to a patent court if they weren't an expert, or someone who's an expert in the practice of criminal law would not necessarily undertake maritime law, or if they were going to go into a new area, they would certainly get advice or counsel from someone who was familiar with that. And in a similar way, if accounting is not your thing, hire a bookkeeper, hire an accountant. If you're starting out, consider getting an attorney or some legal advice on setting up your company. The money you invest in the beginning really does pay dividends in the end to keep you out of trouble. And I spoke about this with you earlier about looking at trusting your gut when you're hiring these people, but also be honest with yourself about areas that are not quite your expertise. So if you were going to be starting your own food truck, for example, in Austin right now, that's a perfect example. You would want to find out everything you need to know about food safety and getting the right registrations and what kinds of regulations are involved with having a food truck because you're serving the public. And so really make a list of all the items and things that you might need information about, or just things you want to check, or ask somebody, or look at what other people who are doing something similar, some areas that maybe they focused on, just to make sure you have your bases covered. So get support, hire an expert, and have fun. And I hope these were helpful tips today. And if you have any questions or comments, please comment below, and also please subscribe if you're enjoying these tips. Have a great week, and see you next time on Minding Your Own Business. Bye.